So we're here at the example table, and in this video we're going to solve the equation natural log of x minus 1 plus natural log of x plus 2 equals the natural log of 4. Now we see the sum of natural logs, we should think immediately logarithm rules. And we can turn this sum on the outside into a product on the inside. In other words, we can rewrite the natural log of x minus 1 plus the natural log of x plus 2 as the natural log of the quantity x minus 1 times x plus 2. All right, so this is what I mean when I say addition outside becomes multiplication inside. We have addition here outside the two natural log functions. You can move it inside the natural log function and it becomes multiplication. So this sum is equal to the natural log of x minus 1 times x plus 2. We can expand what's inside there. So this becomes the natural log of x squared. So if we FOIL this out, that gives us x squared. Outside gives us 2x. Inside gives us minus x. So that's plus 1 copy of x. And then the last one's negative 1 times 2 gives us minus 2. So this left-hand side can be rewritten as natural log of x squared plus x minus 2. Now, if we're setting that equal to natural log of 4, that means that what's inside the natural log here equals what's inside the natural log on the right. So this means that x squared plus x minus 2 is 4. So we move 4 to the other side, we get x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. This left-hand side factors nicely. It factors into x plus 3, x minus 2 equals 0. So x is negative 3 or 2. Now you may think we're done, but we're not. One of these solutions actually isn't really a solution. And you can find out which one by looking back to the original expression. This part right here, the original left-hand side. Look at negative 3. If we try to plug negative 3 into this, we get natural log of negative 4. If we try to plug it in here, we get natural log of negative 1. Natural log is not defined for negative numbers. So this negative 3 is not a solution. It's just 2. Now, why should you even know to go back and check? Anytime you apply these logarithm rules, you should always be careful. Because think about what happens if both of the quantities inside these natural logs are negative. For example, if x is negative 3, right? Both of these are negative. Well, when we combine them in this product, we'd get a product of two negative things, which is positive. So if you plug negative 3 into this expression, it's defined, no problem. But if you split these two things up like this, we get natural log of two negative numbers, and that's no good. So anytime you use these logarithm rules, you should always be careful that you're not adding extra solutions. So whenever you get your solutions, like we did here, go back and check. Plug them into the original expression to make sure that they make sense. So here we find that one of them doesn't make sense, so our solution is x equals 2.